I'm Travis.
And I'm Rachel. Today we're going to show you how to make homemade hand sanitizer. First thing you're going to need is some essential oils, either lavender or tea tree. You're going to need some glycerin and some rubbing alcohol. The CDC recommends at least 70%, but I have 91% because I don't play about germs. You could also use Everclear if you can't find rubbing alcohol.
But I would try to save the Everclear for other uses and...
You just want to drink it.
And find the actual rubbing alcohol. But anyway, you'll also need a container to mix it up in. You'll need a whisk. After you mix it up, to get it to give that gel-like form, you'll need a blender. We have one of those too. We're just basically recycling a container that we already had hand sanitizer in, being that it has a little pump thing going on there. And then the last ingredient you'll need is some fresh aloe. This we purchased at the international market.
For 99 cents. All of this for 99 cents.
Yeah, pretty good deal.
Alright, so what we're going to do first is we're going to take about 1/4 of this aloe plant and we're going to blend it. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to cut the skin off very gently because you want to save the jelly, the clear jelly substance in there. And you want to cut it around. Ooh, it's slippery, so be careful. And then you have this.
Nice and slimy.
Yeah, really, like, really. Look at that. Ew. But it's aloe and it's good for your skin, so it's okay. So this is what it looks like. We're going to use about 1/4 of the aloe plant. And we're going to put it in our, oh God. Slippery, so be careful.
We're going to try to make sure it
we're
makes
gonna
it to the
not
container.
drop it, and we're going to put it in our blender. We're going to blend it until it becomes smooth. Now, you can rinse your hands off, or you can rub this in because it's really good for your skin. I'm actually just going to rub it in because it's good for your skin. Smooth hands. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse your hands, and then moisturize after. Nice little natural skincare. Alright, let's blend. So we have our about 1/3 cup of aloe in here. And then I'm gonna let you blend it. Are you my sous chef or are you just my chef?
I am neither. I'm blending aloe.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright, so we're going to take this and blend this thing on up.
That's stuff?
Yep.
Alright,
so now we're back to that point.
Alright, so now you can kind of, I don't know if you can see it moving, but it's not as slimy. It's more liquidy now. So that's good. That's
and we did it for about 35 seconds, 30 seconds. Alright, so now we're going to take the aloe.
Take the blended aloe and pour it in the bowl.
Just pour it in the bowl like that. It's funny because it went from a very slimy solid to like a frothy liquid.
Alright, so now we're going to use 2 cups of 91% alcohol. You can squirt it in like this if you want. Ooh, it's bubbling. But I'm just going to take the top off and just dump it.
Yeah.
Boop, 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 boop. Oh. Okay, we got that in there. I'm gonna do about maybe 10 drops of the essential oil. Okay, 13. I lied. Smells so good.
That's the lavender.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you can also use tea tree. I would have used tea tree, preferred it because that's also antibacterial, but I couldn't find it. So, we use lavender. Now we're gonna mix. Blooper.
And make a mess.
Yeah. Get a bigger
Seems to be
bowl.
the theme.
Get a bigger bowl, people. Alright, so we're gonna mix this slowly and gently, and then we're gonna come back once it's all mixed. Alright, so we mixed everything together, and our next step is to add it to our hand sanitizer bottle. But we also forgot to say in the beginning, Make sure your hands are clean before you make this, and make sure your bowl is sanitized before you make this. It's very important.
Yeah, everything, the table,
Everything. Work in a sterile environment.
Yeah, because you're working with something to help clean something, so you don't want to make it dirty.
Yeah. So we're gonna fill this up, and we'll be right back.
Okay, so we took it. We filled up this bottle.
Huh?
It looks like sanitizer. It definitely smells like hand sanitizer with the rubbing alcohol. So let's see.
So we get those hands clean. And get anything clean.
Hey. But
it works.
All clean.
It evaporated.
That's it. Success.
We are hand sanitizer. Alright guys, so we made hand sanitizer and it worked. Make sure you guys subscribe to Choo Choo Eats and A Dash of Real Estate. Subscribe to both channels. Bye.